Welcome to today's video. This is Roladel Business again, and in today's video we're going to take a look at Facebook page monetization and how to monetize Facebook page 2023. How do you make money from your Facebook content when you post videos, and how do you turn them into real money? That's what we're going to look at in today's video. Facebook already has some set of rules for monetization, and they have community standards, they have eligibility, and they also have ways that you can monetize your content so that you don't just spend your time wasting your time on Facebook without making money from your content. So let's look at those areas where you can make money from your content. As you can see here, we have Facebook ads and branded manager collab. That is, you can collaborate with brands to make money from your content on Facebook. Also, they also have another one which is fan subscription eligibility, and there's another one that they have which is in-stream ads eligibility, where you are streaming through let me say you're watching a comedy video and you see that there is an advert that may come across. Facebook now pays this content creator and they post adverts on their walls, on their videos. That is one other way that those content creators make money. There are also fan subscriptions, and fans can also subscribe. There are some videos that you will see and they will say something like send stars. When you send stars, those stars are monetized. Then we have in-stream ads. Maybe if you go live on your streaming live, there are some adverts that Facebook does for your posts or your videos. Those adverts are monetized and you can make money from it. As content creators, you can make money from all. And you start to imagine, how can I be a content creator? Okay, these are some questions that you may begin to ask yourself. So let me take you through those eligibility and how you can do what applies. First of all you need to do is to have at least 10,000 followers on your page. That is one of the eligibility for Facebook. Then you should also have at least 180,000 watch minutes for you to be eligible, or you should also have 50,000 plus engagements. When you talk about those engagements, you're talking about likes, you're talking about comments, you're talking about watch shares. Those are posts, engagement. Then this is not actually very big to achieve. They're achievable because millions consume thousands of contents every day. All you need to do is to make your content engaging and entertaining, and people will view it. So for you to start making money from the Facebook, these are the basic requirements for you to monetize your content. Then one other thing that you may also ask yourself is, what if I'm not in the country that's eligible? Because there are some specific countries that are eligible for monetization. I know, but if you're not in a country like Nigeria and you're not eligible, one thing you need to do is to add an admin to your page who is in a country that is eligible for monetization. When you go research, you'll find out that there are some people who manage pages for people for monetization. They are in other countries that are eligible. If you don't know how to go about it, let me know in the comment box below and I'll put you through. You start by contacting those person or the agency, and if you check most of the top content creators in a country like Nigeria, you discover that they always have an admin that is in another country who help them monetize their page. So you can have an agency that are situated in those countries that can monetize, and they do what they will apply for monetization, and you'll be getting your pay right here in Nigeria. So these are the ways, and if you're still confused of a way to go about it, I'd like you to comment below in this video and I will answer all your questions in the comment box below. Please do well to like the video and hit the subscribe to Loladel Business, and I'll see you in the next video.